It finally came. So let's see what 8 months of waiting and 49 euros gets you from Giaco. Make your last bad cut, so let's make it a good one. So let's take a look at what we bought. It's an aluminum frame, and it's got a slide in the middle of it. Push out to extend the blade, and across the top there's this very thin leaf spring that runs across the spine. Pull the blade back in, just a little bit of finger pressure upward to release that spring, and the blade slides back in. To load the blade, there's another little leaf spring at the front. Put the blade in the right way. Slides out of the way, and then engages the blade. It looks like you can put it at either depth setting too. I don't know if it'll be fully covered when you go back in. Nope. Use that second notch. Push down slightly. It's very, very, very subtle. And it goes back in. When it's out, it holds the blade in. And still just a little bit of finger pressure. And Giaco sent you a little screwdriver so you can adjust the tension on this tiny little set screw to control how much you have to push that spring to retract the blade. It's a pretty slick little mechanism. Thanks, Giaco.